Hello everyone, and welcome to this new Systeme tutorial, where I'll show you an exciting and highly anticipated new feature. If you don't have a Systeme account yet, make sure to click the link in the description to create yours for free and start building your online business today. This new Systeme feature has been highly requested by the community, so the team decided to implement it to better serve its users. You now have the ability to manage all your files in one place within Systeme. If you click on the Resources tab and then go to Files, you'll find a central hub where all your uploaded files are stored. Whether it's videos, VSLs, recorded webinars, photos, screenshots, or any other files you've uploaded to Systeme. They're all accessible from this platform. Let me quickly show you how it works. You can click on the Upload Files button to add new files, which you can then use in your funnels, communities, or online courses. It's very simple and works like drag and drop. Just select a file and drop it into the grey box, or click on the button to browse files stored on your computer. This includes photos, videos, screenshots, PDFs, and more. Another big advantage is the search function. Let's say you have a screenshot you used for a client testimonial and want to find it to use in a new funnel. You can type the file's name into the search bar to locate it quickly. Once you find your file, you can click on the three dots on the right to view its details, download it, rename it, or delete it directly. The great thing is, if you decide to delete a file, it won't affect the parts of Systeme where that file is being used. For example, if this photo is used in a sales funnel and I decide to delete it, the photo will still remain within the funnel. The same applies to communities, courses, or any other areas where your files are hosted on Systeme. You can also filter your files by source to narrow down your search. Additionally, you can filter by file type, such as images, videos, audio files, fonts, or documents. Everything is accessible from this centralized location. For instance, if you've added a client testimonial screenshot to a sales funnel, you can easily rename the file by clicking on the three dots. This makes it easier to find and reuse the file within Systeme for other funnels or training spaces. So what do you think about this new Systeme update? Let me know in the comments below. And if you don't have a Systeme account yet, you can create one for free by clicking the link in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more tutorials. See you in the next one.